quite a pity to feel the silence of this beautiful rainstorm which is happening outside with music, but I felt like having a little concert together with it. So if I stop playing, there is a bada-boom in the sky and people running away from the rain, and there's a lot of electricity and lightnings and thunders. It's a proper thunderstorm, summer thunderstorm, which washes away the heaviness accumulated. And so may my song for you, totally improvised, help you rid yourselves of the heaviness accumulated. So that's my wish for you. Stay as long as you like. I might play 2 hours, I might play 2 minutes, but good night. beautiful about improvisation is that it's music which is coming from the moment, so it's also coming from you, the people who are present. So we are basically listening and making music together at the same time, right? So thank you for making this music. And people running on their bicycles, running away from the rain. It's just so beautiful, such a beautiful moment. So thank you for tuning in. Ideally, you should listen to this song that we're creating by a window or by a balcony, so you can actually enjoy it together with the sound of the rain, which is amazing. Can you actually hear it? There's so much water coming down. But that was a nice tune. Let's continue. Let's see where it leads us. We are We are waiting for rain. We are waiting for the rain. We are waiting for the rain. It's amazing, right? It was a bug on my hand. Maybe a mosquito. Maybe it's saying, okay, enough playing because the neighbors want to sleep. So I'm enjoying playing, so I'll continue. You guys go to sleep or have a glass of wine. I'll keep making some music from the heart, inspired to the sound of the rain, which keeps rolling drums from the sky. You hear it probably from your windows. I just want to play some more. I feel like it's been a while. Oh, that's nice. It's all improvised, imperfect, but you know, who cares? We're all imperfect. We still, you know, go out and enjoy life, right? I hope you do. Yes, you are imperfect. We are imperfect. We are always becoming something else, always growing. So hard to say when we're perfect. When you pick a fruit from the tree, you know when it's perfect. If it's too late, it's not good to eat. If it's too early, it's not good, so it's not perfect. But I don't know when you can say that a person is perfect. I think it's just when they recognize themselves, when they understand that they are, you know, perfect, when they look at themselves in a different way, non-comparatively. Everybody's comparing themselves to the others. You shouldn't compare yourselves to the other. One of the main reasons I'm playing guitar right now, it's because I want to encourage people to do things even when they don't feel ready for them, even when they don't feel like they've practiced enough and they're perfect. You know, you can't wait to be perfect to do what you want to like, what you like to do. So you do it before you're perfect, right? Right? Right. This is nice. Very, very sweet. Tense. And people are running away from the rain. It's so funny to watch them from the window. I was in the rain a while ago. Oh, did you hear that? Let's go, let's go, let's go. is going with the thunderstorm. We're playing together. Sorry for the mistakes, it's all improvised, there is no preparation. I just wanted to catch the moment, catch the... I just wanted to catch the rain in sound. But I hope you're listening to this music with an ear to your window or balcony, because she can play music way better than I can. But somehow we're creating music together, because every creation is always desired by others. You know, there is no creative who's alone doing stuff for themselves. You know, whenever we feel a desire to create something, it's somehow a little bit like, you know, pizzeria, when somebody's calling and say, "Hey man, make me a margarita." I don't get calls saying, "Hey, play this music," or "Make this painting," or "Make a new exhibition," or "Grow your hair long," or write a book, or things like this. But you know, creation is never single. You know, creation is always is welcomed by others. Just like, you know, architects, they don't create for themselves. They create because there is a desire which is in the air. You know, the citizens want a park, and they create it. They don't necessarily need to talk to each other and say, "Hey, Mr. Architects, we need a park." No, but you know, I believe that there is a world of idea, a creative world which is impalpable. It's kind of made of electricity or whatever you want, and whatever you create, you bring it from somewhere, from that world of creation, you bring it here, and you bring it for the people. So that's what I'm doing now. You know, I create a million different things. You might be wondering, why aren't you just a painter? Why aren't you just... Do you hear that thunder? It's the same, you know, when you're creative, you don't just make rain. You know, the weather is creative. The rain, the weather doesn't just make, "Hey, ciao Mike, I hear you, I hear you. Whatever you are, stay dry." There is an awesome storm here, which inspired the music playing, which I'm doing. We're also having a chat. And yeah, remember playing drums. And yeah, so that's what I believe. The creatives are like the weather. They bring forth new things all the time, and it changes. And I don't like to restrict myself to one media. You know, I can't stop. I can't just make paintings. I open an account and I'm making fashion photography, and I'm loving it. And people are just like, "Hey, I want a shooting from you." I was like, "Okay, let's do it." I'll show you if I can flip this, I will show you some things from the... Wow. Yeah, I'll show you the atelier later. Let's play some music before it gets flooded here on the balcony. I don't even know if you can hear the guitar anymore. It's really loud, the rain outside, but we go. don't get hit by a thunder. That would be the most epic guitar live stream concert of history. I don't know if anybody has ever been struck by a thunder during their performance. It would be quite an electrifying moment. Yeah, but it's crazy. I'm getting flooded here. You don't want to see that. Anyway.
Ooh.
that was nice. Yeah, there's a lot of rain. I hope you guys are listening to this music together with your favorite drink, right? I don't know how long I'm going on. I had a coffee late in the afternoon or evening with great ambitions. And then, the rain just put off every fiery ambition with ease and a swift move. Subsiding a little bit. Let's say that we have a rain party now and that we're going to listen to this until it stops raining. Why would we want to do that? You guys don't have anything better? I mean, you're such a nice company now. My other company would be the washing machine, the laundry, spinning, and I would watch it. That would be a nice company. It's usually quite entertaining. Actually more entertaining than a lot of people. But I've always had this thing. I was always playing guitar before going to bed. Whoever was around, namely my my family, they would be there. And I would play, and they would try to fall asleep, and I would try to make them listen to just one more song. So you're now my family, right? Good luck. Oh no, yet another song. How many does he have? How many raindrops does the sky have? Oh, this is so Italian, this melody. If you become my wife, I'll make pizza for you every night. I promise, but I'll break my promise too. And will you? Will you? Will you? mandolin for this melody. Is going to be so fun. So if you're on your balcony, I hope you're also having a glass of wine. Did you see that thunder? Wow, so much electricity. We should charge our devices. It's going to be for free. So everybody put your phones in the air. Yeah. This is very cinematographic. We call this movie The Big Rain. So sweaty. I mean, guys, aren't you sweating? Wow. just a little goodnight melody to put your babies to sleep. Wow, that thunder was very near. Wow. I think it just hit the skyscraper over there. It was pretty cool. Okay, cool. So here I'm getting flooded. I have to go from the balcony. There's water coming in, so yeah, enjoy the rain. The sun might come sooner than you expected.